Well, as you can see, we are really suffering around here. It's like nothing but warm sunshine and lovely weather and beautiful people around us. I think more people should come down and enjoy the same what we have it here. I've been here, I've been here. I love this place, yeah, and that's one of my best favorite places in the world, yeah. I come here very quite often. I spend months and months here in the Miami Riviera because I like the people, the hospitality. Mexican people are just lovely people. It's just like it feels like back home, basically. And I'm so lucky that I'm experiencing this whole flu here because unfortunately the news in North America or in Europe, I think it's like overblow it basically because it's like about how many people die, how many people get sick, if they are positive or negative, nobody knows. But basically what they did, they totally ruined the economy in Mexico, especially in the Miami Riviera and in the West Coast as well. And it cost a fortune for the Mexican government. And people are canceling the ticket, or travel agencies are rerouting the tourists to different tropical destinations. And that's just a shame, basically. I talk back to Canada with my friends on a daily basis, and they are saying they had ticket to come down, and unfortunately Air Canada Vacation canceled all the flights, and they would love to come down here. As a matter of fact, one of a good friend of mine was really, really upset because they had a ticket to Australia, and instead of going to Australia, they changed their mind to come down here to the Miami Riviera, and in the last minute their flight got cancelled. So, that's it for vacation, right? So, and they were offered to go to a different part of the world, but they decide no. So probably they're gonna come down in October. And like I said, we never experienced anything about the flu. Only thing, what we see, just like less and less tourists on a daily basis. Restaurants are empty, like 5 or 6 hotels in Playa Car are closed down. Like thousands and thousands of local people lost their job because of this flu. Anybody still planning to come down to Mexico? Here we are, everybody's healthy, and it's a wonderful life here. So please come down.